Welcome to the Weather Centre on Sunday, where the morning starts off with some fog or drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, and offshore winds warm things up over the western part of South Africa, allowing for a hot Sunday afternoon. With the hot and dry weather, there's also a warning for a high fire danger rating over parts of the northern and western Cape. It'll be a mostly cloudy and windy day over the southern part of South Africa. Overcast conditions and the possibility of rain is forecast along the east coast, with drizzle expected as we head further inland as well as along the northeastern escarpment. And then we're forecasting isolated afternoon and evening thundershowers, mainly over the northern interior. Here's a 24-hour rainfall accumulation map for Sunday with quite a patchy rainfall pattern. You'll see thundershowers mainly over the northern interior in the afternoon, with rainfall expected predominantly over KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. On our probability map, you'll see a 40% chance of rain along the east coast, with drizzle as we head along the northeastern escarpment, and a slight possibility of drizzle over the extreme southern part of the Western Cape. Isolated thundershowers are forecast for Gauteng and the northwest, as well as parts of the Free State, the Northern Cape and into Lesotho. Maximum temperatures peak into the middle and upper 30s for Uppington and Vredendal, with a sizzling Sunday in store. 28 as we head into Cape Town, but with a high of around 20 degrees along the coast from George all the way through to Durban. We head into the mid-20s for Gauteng with a warm day in store. Cool for Bombela at only 17 degrees, and Bloemfontein and Kimberley head into the upper 20s. Good beach conditions are expected along the west coast, with an offshore component to the wind for Alexander Bay in the morning, but with a fresh westerly wind in the afternoon. You'll see a northeaster for Namaqualand with a southeasterly wind for Langebaan, and along the west coast we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell. In the southwest, light winds are forecast for the Cape Town Atlantic side, with fresh winds for False Bay, but with a windy morning expected. We're also expecting a fresh easterly flow for Hermanus, with strong winds in the forecast for Cape Agulhas, and along the southwest coast we'll see a 3.5-metre southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. We're forecasting windy conditions over the southern part of South Africa, with a predominantly strong easterly wind. Fresh winds are expected for Jeffreys Bay though, and over the southern part of South Africa we're forecasting a 3-metre swell with a wave period of 16 seconds. Poor beach conditions are expected as we head up the east coast, with a southeasterly wind between the Wild Coast and Richards Bay, and a fresh easterly wind is forecast for East London. Along the east coast we're expecting a 1.5-metre south-southeasterly swell with a wave period of 9 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Sunday.